Okay. All right. Yeah, so welcome to this course. This is Math 2263, section 005, and I'll be your instructor for this semester. My name is Te-Lun. You can call me Alan for convenience. And basically, we are in a synchronous course. So, what I will do is upload videos, and you guys will have to read the textbook, and then watch the video, and then do the assignment, quiz, and exams. Okay. So. Let me go through the syllabus real fast, and then I will let you guys ask some questions, okay? So, yeah, we're in this course, this semester. So your textbook will be this large book, Calculus Relations and Tangents, the 8th edition. And I thought that you already have the textbook, but I have asked the technical support today, and they said that the textbook will be on the coursework by today. So you should be seeing that maybe tonight or tomorrow, okay? And if you guys haven't seen the textbook in the coursework, then please let me know. I will contact the tech support again. But yeah, it should be on the coursework and it should be free for you guys. For this semester, we will be covering chapter 12, 14, 15, and 16. And if I understand correctly, you guys should have already done some um, background on Calculus 1 and Calculus 2, which is covering this textbook for chapter 1 to chapter 10, I think. So that should be good enough. And if time permits, we will do some chapter 13, which is introduction on the curve in three-dimensional and two-dimensional space. But that is not in our scope of teaching. All right. Um, so my information, my name is Lu. You can always email me if you have any questions. If you want to arrange a appointment with me, that is also fine. If you contact me through email, we can meet either online via Zoom or via in person. My office is in Vincent Hall 454. And for now, my office hour is set to be Tuesday, which is today, from 9 to about 11 a.m. I think that I will send another survey, a when to meet poll to you guys to make sure that that is the best time for everyone. But anyway, for now, it is set to be 9 to 11 a.m. via Zoom. It's exactly the same link with this particular introduction Zoom. And for the important part about the homework and quizzes, so we will not have required mandatory homework. So I have make some suggested assignments here. So basically, when we were teaching, like for example, to 12.1, then you're assigned these questions. You can try to do those because those will be similar to the quizzes that we will be taking. So there will be no mandatory homework. That's the point that you have to take. For the quizzes, there will be 11, a total of 11 quizzes, and it'll be kind of short, just take 15 minutes, maybe like one or two problems, which are similar to the suggested homework. And it is basically weekly. As for the format, I was thinking that we can release the quiz on Friday, and the quiz will be due on Wednesday. So what that means is that you have a 15-minute interval, um, 15-minute interval during Friday and Wednesday to complete the quizzes. So for example, you can complete the quizzes on Friday, or you can complete it on Wednesday. That is fine of you guys. And I'm not considering to proctor the exam, to the quizzes. So basically, you just click on Canvas and you click the quizzes, and it will have a 15-minute period for you to submit the quiz. And because I want you guys to use a Grayscale for me to be easier to grade the quizzes and the exams, so you will have extra 15 minutes to submit the quiz. So 15 minutes to write the quiz and 15 minutes to submit the quiz. And I'm not sure that you guys are familiar with Grayscope, so I might upload another introduction PDF or video to introduce you how to use Grayscope, all right? It should be quite simple. You should just click on the Grayscope button in Canvas and you should be able to submit your quiz. So that's for quiz. And for midterm and final, midterms, there'll be three midterms. One midterm will be 15 minutes, and the final will be I think the standard time is 3 hours. And again, it'll be online. I am still working on the Proctor app, which is the honor lock on Canvas. But basically, it's the same format. So I was thinking, for example, if we're doing midterm one, then that midterm one will be accessible from February 17th, 12 a.m. all the way to 11:59 p.m. And during that day, you will have a free 15 minutes to do the midterm one. Okay. And the proper application should be able to record what you are doing the on a PC, on your laptop or something like that. Okay, but I will let you guys know how to protocol you when midterm one is coming. So there will be three midterms. These are the range of the midterms. One will be on February, one will be on March, and one will be on April. And the final exam will be on May. And that final exam will be a 3 hour long exam. Okay. All right. As for the homework and quizzes and finals, any question for now? So to sum it up, you will have 11 quizzes, you will have three midterms and one final. And quizzes will not be proper. And you have for each quizzes 15 minutes and from Wednesday to Friday. Sorry, from Friday to Wednesday to complete the quiz. And for midterm, each will have 1 day to complete, and the interval will be 15 minutes. So you have a free choice of a day, and you can choose any of the 15 minutes within that day. And for the final, you have a, again, 1 day to choose, a 3 hour interval to finish the final exam, right? And
Good.
we will submit everything to the grade school. Yeah, sorry, Cooper.
Yeah. So for the quizzes,
Yeah.
will it like for showing work or whatnot, will we be doing it like on paper and then uploading like a
Yeah,
photo of
yeah.
that?
So I will upload a like a PDF, maybe like 1 to 2 problems, and you guys will have to write it down. For example, you can use GoodNote like what I'm doing now, and you can also use a actual sheet of paper. And after doing that, you can scan it or take a picture and upload it to Grayscale.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it will generally be like 1 or 2 problems, I think, because it's just 15 minutes. Okay, are we good with this quiz and midterms? Okay, and the first quiz will be starting this Friday. Uh, and let's talk about this first. So for grading policy, we don't have assignment. So the only thing to grade is quiz, midterm, and finals. So quiz will be 16%, midterm will be 18% each, and final will be 30%. And these are just standard grading percentage. Uh, I will see what you guys do in like the end of the semester to decide whether I have to give extra point or something. But I guess it would be pretty much stick to this grading scope, right? Okay. Here is a detailed course schedule. You guys should be able to access this in the Canvas, which I will cover later. And just to see like what we're doing this semester. So we're doing four chapters, chapter 12, 14, and 15, and 16. Chapter 12 is basically three-dimensional geometry, which is relatively simple in comparison to the other three chapters. And chapter 13 is optional. I think I will post some video on that, but it is optional. You don't have to learn that in order to learn the other chapters. And chapter 14 is on differentiation, 15 is on integration, and the most complicated one, which is chapter 16, is on the fundamental theorem of calculus. So it basically connects the differentiation part and the integration part here. And midterm one quiz you on these two chapters. Midterm two is on integration, and midterm three is on the connection between differentiation and integration. And the final will be basically everything. Right, that is for course content. And let me go to the Canvas. Where is my Canvas? Okay, Canvas. Okay. So in your Canvas page, you should be able to see this course information. So you have the syllabus, which is what I just showed you. It should contain every information you should know in this course. And there is my contact information. You can come to my office in Vincent Hall 454 or email me. And this Zoom link is always open. So you can um, come to my office or during the time set in 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Tuesday. And I will post the first video today. So you will see below the 12.1 here, the three-dimensional coordinate system. So I will post videos below this section numbers and also the notes corresponding to it. For example, um, 12.1 look like this. So I will do an introduction on the structure on this section, and there will be several notes corresponding to it. So I'll upload both the video and also um, the notes. Okay, and uh, depend on the content, I might upload some other, for example, YouTube video corresponding to that content, to that subject. And I think that's all for, yeah, that's all for Canvas. So, and that's all for our course. Right. Do you have any questions on the course material or anything in general? So, any questions on the course content, the course structure, the grading policy, or where to find anything?
When are this week's lectures going to be available?
Sorry, come again?
When are this week's lectures going to be available?
So I will post basically I think everything today for this week. So you should be access to this week is 12.1 to 12.3 on Canvas. And in general, I think I will be posting the videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But perhaps I'll upload everything on Monday for some weeks. Yeah. But at least for this week, I'll upload everything today. Any other questions? So just to remind you guys, the textbook will be available tonight or tomorrow, but not later than today. Okay. Do we have any questions in general? Okay. In that case, that's call your day, and you can see the video before tonight, right? I hope you guys have a good semester.
Thank you.
Yeah. See you guys.
Thank you.